it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, we're going to travel to my hometown of Greenville, Alabama, and we're going to do a beautiful baby shower at a local event venue there called The Gallery. They have two portions, a B-side and a C-side, and I absolutely love the floor plans. It is very neutral. The carpet is neutral. The painting is neutral on the wall, and I think this is so important in an event space because you're able to go in to kind of a clean palette and to create what you want to create in that space. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a heaven sent baby shower theme, and this is what the venue looked like before from both the front angle and the back angle, and here is what it looked like after. Enjoy. When my cousin told me that she was expecting all of the girl cousins and I pulled together in order to make this moment very memorable and very special for her, there was no doubt in my mind that heaven sent was definitely what this baby was. It was such a blessing to be able to share in this moment with her. And I love the fact that she just allowed us to use our creativity in designing this space. The only thing that she did was she picked the color palette. Now, because I live so many hours away from where my hometown is, so many hours away from where I live, this event was super special because my cousins and I pulled together to actually decorate it. And the funny thing is that they are not decorators. And so up until midnight, we were up blowing up balloons, setting tables, putting up backdrops and draping. It was like having a mini Lux Academy with my family. And it was so rewarding to be able to create this experience for my cousin. It was indeed divine. It was a beautiful moment. All of the small touches and details were just absolutely amazing. We decided to go with the feathers for centerpieces, thus the theme Heaven Sent. And we created additional seating in the back of the space by using these tufted benches that my mother-in-law gifted me, and I believe she got those from Wayfair, but they looked absolutely amazing in the space. So having those little different seating areas throughout the space is always important when you're doing some type of celebration. I know you guys remember these etages back in the day. This was originally gold, but we painted it silver. And again, we had another tufted bench on the opposite side of the dessert station. My friend Nina, we rented these Chiavari chairs from her from Simply Beautiful. They are located in Georgiana, Alabama, and having the elevated seating also totally elevated the space. The beautiful backdrop was curated by my cousins and I. I also used these gorgeous Pegasus standing kind of animals. I got these from Target at 90% off, and I also gifted them to my cousin to put in the baby's nursery when he comes home from the hospital. For the centerpiece, I decided just to add in a few florals and tuck some feathers in there as well to accent the space beautifully. And we also use this gorgeous skirt around the table. The backdrop, you guys have probably seen it before. I got it from eFavorMart a few years ago, and we added in the sequin silver runners on the blue velvet tables to tie the entire space in. Shop the items featured in today's video, or to sign up for Luxe Academy, please check the description box down below. Next up is this gorgeous etagere that I shared with you guys earlier. My cousin's friend Trina decorated all of the treats seen here. They turned out absolutely amazing. Amazing. I know that many of you probably recognize this etagere. It was definitely a staple back in the 70s. They were in gold, but I did, have this one spray painted silver to match the overall theme. And that beautiful bud vase you see there is from the Dollar Tree. I love the work that she did. It really coordinated with the theme. All of the treats were absolutely delicious. We had popcorn, candy bars, chip bags, Rice Krispie treats. I mean, the list goes on. The work was so seamless, so beautiful, so delicious. I just could not be more pleased with how it all turned out, and it really meshed with the theme extremely well. The guests absolutely love having different treats to choose from. So that's it, you guys. This is one final look at the venue. The acrylic stands that you see there, I stacked them on top of each other to make a taller feather centerpiece on either side of the sweetheart table or the guest of honor table. You can find those acrylic stands at Amazon.com, and I will also link them along with the feathers to this video as well. You guys, I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It looked so heavenly to me. So I would love to know your favorite aspect of the design by leaving a comment down below. Now, I did get this footage before we actually finished the design. My cousin brought in this absolutely immaculate backdrop that said Heaven Sent, and it had the little Pegasus on either side of it. It was just so beautiful, but unfortunately I did not get that footage, so I will insert the photo here as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!